Hi friends, and today is a special tutorial where we will show you how to share the needful video from the YouTube application and add it to your Instagram story, creating some cool background for it. So I hope that this long tutorial will be useful and interesting. Let's go to the watching. The first step I will show you is to capture the needful video from the YouTube app, so let's go to it. Right now we are on our HardReset.Info channel, and let's use the latest video as an example because I, for example, want to share it with my followers. Okay, I'm so sorry for this advertisement, and right now my phone sound need to be enabled because I need to capture sound also for my video, so let's enable it after setting the needful volume. Later, when we are ready for the screen recording, because it's the best way to capture the needful video and save it to the gallery, we need to enable this option by swiping down my screen and going to the control center on iPhone. But if you have Android, no problems guys, we really don't have any difference because you definitely need to pick on the same screen recording option, which will appear on your quick settings menu also. So on Android we need to find this feature, and on the iPhone too. But if we don't have it on our Android control center right now, I will show you how to enable the needful shortcut in the settings app. So, as I said, if we don't have the needful icon, we need to open our customizations. Later, let's go to the control center, and with the first part of the list is named included controls, which means that here we have all of the enabled and activated added features to our control center bar. But swiping down the list, we can find the screen recording option, and we can also edit, but after picking on the plus icon on the side. Later, if you want to remove it, you just need to press the minus shortcut near and tap on the remove. Well done, but I will add this option here. As you can check, it's successfully saved. And later, let's go to the YouTube channel, YouTube app again. Let's swipe our screen down and tap on the screen recording option, which looks like this. So we have the needful icon. Right now we need to wait some time, and when the red button will appear on the top, I need to press play. Okay, let's wait some time because I want to show you that we can choose the needful part we want to share with our followers on Instagram. So as an example, this is the end, this is the finish, and I want to stop my video. Okay, so how to stop the screen recording? I just need to pick on this red button and confirm my actions after tapping on the stop. I will disable my phone volume right now, and let's go to the phone gallery to check the results. So when I am on the Photos app, I need to go to the recent album and tap on the last image or the last video. Let's activate our sound after clicking on the needful icon at the bottom. I will enable it also. And as you can check, our video is successfully saved.
So, in order to do this, let's log.
But as an example, I don't want to save this additional bar, and I want to disable this status bar from my recording. How to do this? It's very simple because we just need to tap on the edit mode. And right now I will show you how to select the needful time for my video, how to cut it also, choosing the needful part from the screen, from the whole screen. So the first step is to correct the duration. After dragging the yellow lines to the right or left side, I need to set the start and the end for my video. I will set it in this way. And later, after tapping on the last section here, I can set the needful size for my video, cutting the parts I don't want and I'm not interested in. Okay, so let's pick on the first section to check the results. So we need to pick on the play icon,
Samsung Galaxy Z
and as you can
Fold
check,
4
my
has
sound is
a
smoothly
desktop
saved
notification.
and everything is well done. To save these changes, let's press done, and I have two different options to save this video, or to double this video to save the first and the next modified version of it. So I will tap on the second option because I don't need the first one, and I will check the result again.
Z Fold 4
As you can check, my video is successfully and smoothly saved in the way I need and prefer, and I just can post it to my story. But at the very beginning of the video I said to you that we will add some cool background, and this is the best part of our today's tutorial because I will show you an app I really very like. This is InShot application, which is all free on iPhones and also on Android. You can without any troubles download it from the Play Store and App Store. So when we are on the InShot, let's press the video button, and I need to pick on the new. Remember that you will have some alert, the popped up notification. You need to press allow, and later let's select the needful video I want to correct. Check mark and wait a minute. Well done, so we have our saved video, and right now let's tap on this first section at the bottom panel of the screen to correct the size of the background we will add. So we have a lot of different options like no frame, only my video, for the Instagram post, for Instagram Reels, for YouTube's, TikToks, etc. So for the Insta story I will set as an example this option, because this is definitely, I'm so sorry, this is for posts, this is for Instagram posts, and this option is for Instagram Reels and also for Instagram stories. So I really like this option. I can also correct the zoom for it, but I don't need this option. I want to set some background. So later I can just make my background monochrome, tapping on the needful color, or set some gradient, or I also will have some pattern features. But what I like the most, that I can use some image from my gallery app and set it as a background. Also don't forget about the blur option, but let's tap on the gallery. So right now I am able to set some picture I want as a background. Let's tap on the HardReset.Info logo, and later I can also correct its blur. I will set it in this way, and let's tap on the check mark to go back to the main settings. Also, as you can check, I can add some music, additional stickers, text, filter, etc. So this is my favorite app, definitely, where I can add a lot of different additional features and effects. Later let's save this newly created video after tapping on this saved option at the top bar of the screen. I can also manage the resolution, frame rate, format, etc. But let's tap on the same because I want to set this the default. And right now we will have an advertisement.
So what's Daz?
I'm sorry, but this application is free, as I said, so unfortunately we will have such moments. Let's check the result after going to the gallery. And yes, we have everything is okay. So let's go to the Instagram application to post our newly created story. I just need to swipe my screen to the right side to go to the stories creation mode. I don't need to pick on the shutter button, but I need to go to the gallery after clicking on the top OK, and to use the last option here. So unfortunately we will have this watermark because I don't have the premium account on this InShot application, but if you will buy it, of course you won't have it. I can also cut it after dragging my edit story to the needful site or size also. Okay, I will save my video in this way. And if you want, I'm so sorry, I think it's not straight, but right now I hope it is. Okay, and right now the next option I will share with you also is to add the link, because if you want to share with your friends this video, it's very cool to add some link to make possible for others to watch this video to the very end. So how to do this? We need to go to the YouTube, and later let's tap on the share option to copy link. Our link is copied, so let's go back to the Insta app and tap on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. Later we have the special options like link, and on the appeared bar we need to set our link here, paste it and press done. Don't forget that you can also correct the style of the created link and also rotate it, manage its size like a usual sticker, and I will set it in this way. And let's press the arrow, share and done. To upload my newly created story to the profile page, we need to wait some time before the result checking. And let's tap on the stories icon. Unfortunately it's uploading now, so I will go to the profile page, to the home page, and refresh it. Okay, so right now I hope it is. Sorry, it's my first trying, and this is our newly created story which I did with you. So let's tap on the link to check if it works. After tapping on the visit link alert, we need to go to the YouTube. Yes, everything is well done. And I also want to check the sound, if it's
Notifications.
Amazing, guys. And I hope that this tutorial was really helpful, and from now on you can create a cool Instagram stories, adding some some interesting and stylish backgrounds. So guys, don't forget about likes. I really hope this tutorial was important, and have a nice day. Good luck.